Hey guys, I'm Brianna with Makeup Designery. Today I want to talk to you about our facial cleanser and makeup remover. All the directions on the back, but basically to simplify it for you is you just want to pump this into your hand, work it onto your face, add some water, you're going to build up a lather, and then you're going to use your towel to remove it. Even though it is oil-based, it doesn't leave an oily residue, it's nice and moisturizing. So I'm going to show you how. If you have more tips and tricks that you want to share, make sure you like and subscribe, leave comments, and I'll see you soon.